Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jerry here again. Just a quick update about the direct mail leads that I offer. We are at this time having a 20% off sale. Now, what I want to tell you is I don't know how long this sale is going to last. So I want you to go ahead and take advantage of it as soon as possible because it could end at any time. So I'm not sure how long this thing's going to last. I don't know how long they're going to continue this. So right now it's still at 20% off. So you need to jump on it as soon as possible. And like I said in my previous videos, we have email list and peel and stick address labels, and you can order as many as you want. That's up to you, but this video is just to let you know that as of now we're still running the 20% off, but like I said, I don't know how much longer that's going to last. So just a heads up, please go ahead and take advantage of the 20% off and jump on this thing and go ahead and order you some leads so you can mail out your postcards and your flyers, or if you're in any other kind of business like a MLM business or anything else and you need direct mail leads. I've got them for you. Click on the link below this video and it'll take you to my website and you can go ahead and place your order through that. So just a heads up, still running at 20% off. Don't know how long it's going to last. You might want to jump on it because it could end at any time. So thanks for watching the video. Take advantage of it. Click on the link. Go ahead and put your order in. Talk to you later. Have a wonderful, blessed day. God bless you all. Take care.